Good morning, Year 6. This is Thursday's anchor task. Your objective today is a new one. It's to find missing values using percentages. So we're finding some missing amounts. Now, just another note, if you haven't done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday's lesson, please do those before this one. Those 3 lessons will give you your basic percentage facts that you need to take with you up to secondary school. This one is a step extra. So you need to understand Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays lesson first, okay? So I'll go through the anchor task. We'll go over the answer, and then we'll do you another video for guided. So anchor task. Isla jumps 3.76 meters. Her coach tells her this is 50%. Sorry, let's underline that. This is 50% as far as the women's long jump record. We need to work out what is the women's long jump record. So I've done you 2 diagrams to try and explain this. So Isla jumps 3.76 meters and her coach says that's 50% as far as the women's long jump record. So I'm hoping you can see we've got the world record here that's unknown and we've got Isla's jump here that's 50%. 50% is the same as a half, so you should be able to see that there, okay? Same up here, the new 100 square. So this is what Isla jumps, 3.76 meters. We need to work out the whole thing. We need to work out 100%, okay, from knowing the 50%. So if this is 3.76, this, oh, sorry, I should have said here, please, please, please have a go and then come back to me. So pause the video, have a go, and then follow me going through it. Okay, same on the challenge here. We will go through this, but try and have a go at it on your own first. I'll just read that one before I go back to the main anchor task. So it says Lee jumps 49 centimeters in the high jump. This is 20% of the world record for the men's high jump. What is the world record? So if you know that 20% is 49, can you work out 100%, the whole amount? Okay, so I'm just going to pop back to this one. Please make sure you've had a go before I go through it. So if this is 3.76, this is 3.76. Same here, this is 3.76, just to prove it to you, this is 3.76. So we essentially need to do 3.76 Isla's jump and times it by 2. Now I'm just looking at the digits there. I could do it mentally, but actually I think for this one, probably the simplest thing is to actually do a column, oh, that is a 2, honestly, a column multiplication. So we're doing 2 times 6 is 12, 1 underneath, 2 times 7 is 14, add the 1 is 15, exchange there, 2 times 3 is 6, add the 1 is 7. So I get 7.52. So that means our unknown world record is 7.52, and that is in meters. Okay, I will go through that on the next slide as well, just to make sure you understand. So for Lee then, we know that 49 centimeters is 20%. I'll just move that out of the way in a moment. There we go. Is 20%. So 49 is 20%. Now 20% is one of our famous fractions. It's the same as a fifth. Okay, these are the things that you need to start remembering. 20% is the same as a fifth. So I want to find 100%, that is 5/5. So to find 5/5, I'm going to multiply our 1/5 or our 20% by 5. Okay, so we need to do 49, the 20% times by 5, which will give us 100%, the full amount, the world record. A few different ways you could do that. The way that's just come to my mind is that that is only 1 away from 50. So I'm going to have a go at this mentally. So I'm going to do 50 times 5 is 250. So that's 5 times 5 is 25, times it by 10, 250. And then I've done one lot 5 times too many. So 1 times 5 too many. So I need to take away 5 for 245 centimeters. Or indeed, if you're feeling clever, you could change that into meters and have 2.45 meters. Okay, 2.45 meters. You could do it column multiplication if you wanted to, like we did up here, but without the decimal, that's fine. You could partition it and do 40 times 5, so that's 200. 9 times 5 is 45. Add them together. There's loads of different ways, okay? So I'm just going to go through on this next slide what we've just done, just to show you. So we've had 3.76, we've times it by 2, we've ended up with 7.52 meters. And then over here, 49 centimeters was 20%. So we need 5 lots of them. Hopefully you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots will give us 100%, will give us the full amount. And both of these things are true. That women's record was set in 1988. Alright, sorry, I was hoping that would work. I just had to pause the video then. Mrs. Blurton was just at the door to drop something off for me. Right, so I think we'd kind of finished, hadn't we? So both of these records are true and were set years and years ago, okay? So 1988 and 1993, there you go, a bit of information for you. Right, we're on to the guided thing next, so I will stop this one and start you a new video in a moment. See you in a bit.